I'm here today with this 2-tier barrel fountain. So let's unbox this and see how easy this is to set up. Now you can get these in different configurations with just one barrel, a little larger, or these ones with 2 barrels, and in different colors as well. So a little more natural wood, or this like antique aged wood. So no matter what type of barrel you choose, they are quite the same, right? So what we get here, a little tube, guiding rod, then the pump here, which is directly connected to a power cord, just a little booklet here, and then 2 of these barrel type things that fit on there. So okay, so it looks quite cool. And this one on top, I think. So it looks quite cool. So let's see what we get. Okay, so just a couple of instructions here, but shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, so the tube goes in here. So it can suck the water right through here, I think. Okay, so it isn't that loud, and you can put the cord right through here, but I made it in front right now for this demonstration, but then it's just a little bit tucked away in the back there, right? So nice. It's a little bit plasticky, a little bit more than I wanted, but it's still pretty cool, and it does look a lot like wood. So that's nice, and I think the sound, you can hear it a little bit now, will be a lot less when I put in some water. So let's see if that works right out of the box here. Okay, so that's pretty neat, even with just a little bit of water. It's trying to suck it up, right, but it doesn't really have that much traction. So if I fill it up a little bit more, but you can see that it's working, pumping up the water there. But I'm gonna fill it up just a little bit more, and then we should see the fountain. And that's already working. Let me fill just a little bit more. So that's already definitely working there. And well, it is like this soft little stream sound that you can have right outside there. This pump, you can pull it up and down. It's also a little bit plasticky, but it does work. So you can set it any way you want. And then once this trough here fills up, it will spill all across on the front here. So definitely works. Really cool here. And let me do just a little bit close up before I leave you with what it looks like and what it does. So very nice. And yeah, so I really recommend. Cool.